Oh, Fred. Oh, you're a comic genius. Oh, my stomach. Oh, I'm so hungry I could even eat French food. Oh, I gotta see if there's anything to eat. Okay, what to eat? What to eat? Gross. Ooh, wine. Potato salad. November 3rd. Salad. June 6th. Ooh, birthday cake. Wait, isn't this from Jeff's birthday a couple months ago? Ugh, what is this? What is this? I think it's a carrot. Ooh, yogurt. September 3rd. A Publix receipt? What the f? Oh, sweet Matt's peach cobbler. Oh, pizza. Oh, this is Domino's. Oh God, there's like nothing in here to eat. What is this? The retarded policeman DVD. These guys are fucking everywhere. Ah, chicken fetuses. Ugh, when do these expire? That's not a good smell. Oh, pumpkin pie. Oh, and with penicillin. What is this? Is this the spaghetti sauce Allie and I made of? Oh God, it's alive. I think it's moving. Seriously, I have nothing here that's not gonna give me hepatitis? Fine. I guess this will have to do. What's the oldest thing in your refrigerator?